Today we will learn about adaptation in animal. First we will learn about what is an adaptation. Definition of adaptation. Adaptation is a characteristic that helps a living thing to survive successfully in its environment. It's classified into three types according to where do they live. First one is terrestrial animals, second is aquatic animals, and third one is aerial animals. Terrestrial animals are animals which do live on the land. First of all, we will learn about desert animals. Camel is most found animal in the desert. Here some adaptations are given. It has special nostril and eyelashes which helps them to save from the sand. It can store its food in the hump. It has padded feet which helps them to walk properly on the sand. It has long legs which keep camel off hot and help it to keep cool. The mouth of camel is leathery mouth. The leaves are very thick, so it can eat prickly plants, thorny plants. Sand lizard and horned toad are another example of sandy environment or desert environment. Adaptation of animals in cold region. Taiga and tundra region. Polar bear is most found animal in the cold region. The polar bear has white fur. It helps it to blend into snowy environment. The layer of fat under its skin which helps it to stay warm, and the white large paws help the polar bear to swim